dig all that by hand. These garden beds are about, pardon my sniffles, garden beds are about 3 years old. This is our 3rd year gardening here. It was just lawn before. We had a farmer come in with his tractor and rototill, or first rip up the sod and then rototilled it. You can see that we're still dealing with grass. We fight grass quite consistently. Morning glory is the other issue, and we have a lot of dandelion too, but that's not so bad because we can either use it as a mulch or eat the dandelions themselves. My wife is a herbalist in training, so she can use a lot of these plants in her tinctures and salves. But, those 3 tools, the Broadfork, the Russian hoe, and the hori, you can get a bed, a pre-dug bed, prepared in under half an hour. So what I have to do now is add some compost and plants and we're good to go. So I just wanted to show how those 3 tools work in unison, and yeah, thanks for watching. That's my beautiful wife. Bye.